Hey there, Neil here from Vumu, and in this video I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can create personalized experiences like this at scale for people that you're reaching out to, not just via images but also via videos and landing pages. So let's go in and see how Vumu can do all of this in bulk for you. To begin with, we are going to create either personalized images, personalized landing pages, or even personalized videos within Vumu, and I'll show you all of those as we go along. So let's start with personalized images. The process is simple. You click on new images and pick one of the templatized images that we give to you, and as you can see with examples here, you can personalize these images for the prospects that are receiving them. I uploaded my own image as you saw earlier, and I was able to personalize that for people as well. So I just took a picture with me holding a book, and there I reached out to people asking them to just me to get in touch. But for you, doing this is easy. Just pick one of them, say something like the coffee template, and once you do this, is say you're inviting someone for coffee, you've got their first name and last name, and when you send this through, and I will show you examples of what this looks like in an email client, when you send this through, this is what people will see based on who they are. So we'll click on the preview button just to see what it looks like, and this is what your prospects will see as you customize and send it to them. And customizing at scale is simple. This is the image that you're going to send. You can add a page to this too. So for example, in this case, I can add govumu.com, apply, done, and then you get code. Now there's a couple of different ways to get this code. You can send emails right within Vumu, and you can also send emails with one of the many autoresponder integrations that we have over here. If your autoresponder isn't covered here, don't worry, we'll talk about that more in the bonus sessions on how to customize it for your own autoresponder, including Mailvio. So for now, I'm going to use the personalized image within Vumu CRM, and then once I'm done with that, I'll come back and show you the videos and the personalized landing pages as well. So let's go ahead and create an email using Vumu. So I'm going to create a new email. You can also use SMS. For SMS, you have to connect your phone number, Vumu phone number, but for emails, you have to connect your Gmail account. So you just come in, you set up your Gmail account, all the instructions are provided. Right in there, you pick your recipients. So for example, in this case, I'm going to add in neil@kvsocial.com. You can also pick a new recipient, so neil.napier.im@gmail.com. So you could pick that as well, and add as many as you want. Just put in a subject line, and of course there you can personalize these tags as well. Hey, let's grab a coffee. And in this case, I'm going to, as before, put the image that you had seen before. There, so now I have put in the coffee template. Great, now I'm going to add some copy template too, because this is going to be an email. So hey, first name, let's grab a cup of coffee, looking forward to a chat, and then you end with your name, of course, Neil Napier. Done, and you send this via email once you've connected your Gmail account. And as you can see, when I open the email, my details are right over here, as this should be in an autoresponder. You can use this to personalize your outreach to anyone using emails within Vumu, or of course you can rely on your autoresponder as well. Now let's go back in and check out other kinds of personalization that you could do as well. For starters, you can create personalized landing pages. This by far is my favorite. So for example, say if I wanted to take one of these videos, so this is a video that I have done in the past, I could take this video and I could create a brand new landing page entirely based on that campaign. So right here, for example, I can use first name here and last name as well. Right here, I can add other details such as address. So if I wanted to refer to their country instead of across the globe, I could just use the address. So trusted by 2,000 users from Panama City, from Mexico, from Finland, from US, wherever for that matter, or you could use cities as well. I could refer back to a prospect's website. I could use their logo in there as well. So as long as you have all these details accessible within your contact information that I showed you earlier, you can personalize these landing pages, and what people will see will be completely attuned to them. So for example, let me go ahead and show you here what I would see living in Finland. There you go, personalized video for Neil Napier from Finland. Let's change this up and see what my partner Steven would see. There you go, personalized video for Steven van der Paal, trusted by 2,000 plus users from Mexico. So this way, your prospects will see something that is entirely targeted to them. Within Vumu, you also have the ability to either upload a video from your computer, record a new video, or choose a template if you don't want to record your own video. So we've got a bunch of videos already done. If you want to reach out to someone and sell them your services, we have hundreds of videos in place already. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and record a video directly from my computer. I could choose webcam, screen share, or both webcam and screen share. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So let's say if I wanted to record a video like this, I could absolutely do that right within Vumu. And I could also just do an introduction, something along the lines of, hey Eric, I wanted to create this video for you. And I could create multiple of these videos, and then I'll show you the magic trick. So once this video is recorded, I can go ahead, add call to action on it. So I can enable call to action feature, and I can add a call to action on top of these videos. I can also replace the thumbnail. This is where the magic happens, by the way, because I could replace the thumbnail with something like this right over here, let's say, and I'll say okay. And this is the imported thumbnail, so this is now what people will see. I can change theme settings, I can customize it so I have my own details over here, and then I can also enable e-signature and other details if I'm actually sending out contracts. I'm going to change this to something along the lines of Vumu invite for Eric, and later I could change this to first name as well. Once you're done, you can go ahead and preview to see what it would look like, and you can later use this inside the landing pages as we did as well. So again, you can see here, this is pretty much open for the prospects to see. So now I'm in the landing page section again, and as you can see, this is the video that I can send to them, and I can make sure that it is personalized. Let's go back into the area where we actually send out the email. So I'm going to choose one of the respondents as a test, and I'll show you something cool. So let's go ahead and put in a simple subject line. Hello, let's have a coffee. And again, you can personalize this too. And then I could also generate email via AI. So this is a new feature within Vumu, and you're going to love it. So you can simply go ahead and give a brief description of what kind of email you want to send. I'll fill that in and I'll show you what email it produces. So I'm going to click on generate email button, and as you will see, this automatically creates email content for us and puts it right within the email. You can use merge tags and all the other tags that we're using within Vumu to then personalize, hyper personalize those emails as well. So there you go, dear first name, all of this is there, and that's all you need to do to hyper personalize your emails, your reach outs to prospects at scale using Vumu.